Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Shopify checkout page customization full guide. So let's get started. So here we are in our admin page in Shopify, and first things first, I want to tell you that you would need a paid plan or subscription here in Shopify in order for you to customize your checkout page here in your store. So I recommend that you check the link in the description below so that you would have our exclusive deal with Shopify, wherein you would be able to avail the paid plans for only $1 per month. So I recommend that you check that out. So once you're all set, now we can proceed into our tutorial. So in order for you to customize your checkout page or go to your checkout page, you would need to click here on online store. And from here, you want to click here on customize here to customize your site. And from here, you would be able to be prompted into the editor page of your site. And from here, you want to click here on the home page and click here on checkout and new customer accounts. And then from here, you will now be prompted into the checkout page. And from here, you can just edit how this would look like right here. So you can add your logo here. As you can see in the settings, you can click on add image. And from here, you would be able to see the image here in your Shopify store that is already available. Or you could just add your images here on your own from your computer storage. You can also do that. And then you would be prompted with your storage right here. So in my case, I'll just go here. And let's say I want something like this one, maybe. This is the one that I want to choose as my logo. This is just an example. So this is how you do it. So click on done. And then as you can see, you would have your logo here now. And then you can also change the image when you click on this one. And then from here, you can go for the logo alignment center, right or left. Or you could go for the checkout form right here if you'd want it to be like this or like that. It depends on what you want. You can also have a background image if you'd want to. So for example, this one right here, I want to tap on done. And as you can see, we now have that background image there. So you can also do that, and you have a bunch more settings right here, like the background color, the background number 2, the background color again, colors, and the fonts right here. So these are your options in customizing your checkout page. And there's also some options here in the settings. So when you go back here, you want to click on the settings tab right here, and from here click on checkout. And then you would also have some options that you can go for the customer contact method. You can go for the phone number or email, or just email right here. So as you have noticed, when I selected phone number or email, when I go back to my Shopify checkout page, you can see that it is written here email or mobile phone number as it was set right here. So what you see here would depend on what you set here in your settings. So you can also show a link for customers to track their order with Shop, or you could require customers to log in first, or you could go for the customer information, marketing options, tipping, and so on right here. So let's say we want a tip, so you can go for tip right here, show tipping options at checkout. You can go for this presets, 10%, 15, or 20% right there. And then your address collection preferences, you can require them to shipping and billing address to match, and so on right here. You have many more options. So this is basically your options in customizing your checkout page settings. Once you're all done, click here on save. And now when I refresh this, I should be seeing the tip right here. So let me just reload this. And then right here, and as you can see, the logos are gone because I haven't clicked on save. And now let's see if we now have the tip. So as you can see, we now have the tipping section right here. So this is how it would look like. So yeah, those are your options in customizing your checkout page here in Shopify. But we actually have more options on how we can customize this. So the option that I'm talking about is when you go back here, you want to search for apps. So you want to go for checkout right here, search here, and then click here on search checkout in Shopify App Store. And from here, you should be seeing a bunch of apps that will let you customize your Shopify store depending on the services that they offer. So for example, this one, Be Sure Checkout Rules. So this would let you customize checkout behavior with conditional powerful rules. This one is a page editor that would let you customize your checkout, maximize sales, minimize hassles, and so on. And this one is a checkout customizer. So you can go for upsell, fields with rules and discounts right here. here. So yeah, it would depend on the kind of app that you would like to install in your store. So I really highly recommend that you get an app to customize your checkout page, because the things that you can do here with just the Shopify settings alone is very limited. So if you avail the apps right here, you would really take it to a whole other level. So you can explore the apps right here. So for example, you would want this one right here, checkout customizer. You can click on this and then you can see what it does right here on these images. You can compatible native Shopify discounts, unlimited Shopify checkout customization. So this is what you could add right here, and you could add custom fields just like this one right here. That these are the fields that you wouldn't be able to add to your checkout page if you are not using any app, because this is not available in your Shopify settings. And then you can go for upsell product offers and so on, custom cart, and compatible with native Shopify discount and so on right here. So you can check out the app and you can see what it does right here, and you can also see their reviews right here if their app is really that good. You can see the pricing here. You have the free plan available, and you can also see the ratings right here. So it's not yet too popular because it got 31 reviews only, but it has a good rating. So yeah, I highly recommend that you use this app because these are such a good investment in your store. So you would need to pay for some apps right here if you would like the premium plan, wherein you would be able to customize your store freely, because they might have a free plan, but it's not enough for your store because it is very, very limited. So yeah, that concludes our video. So that is basically it on how you can customize your checkout page here in Shopify. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.